Easy profits here. Again, I had asked you to sell gold today at 2030 levels and expect it to move towards the next strongest support at 2018, 2020. Precisely achieving close to 2020, we have seen it reversing, while silver has too seen a drop and it has gone below 2240 levels and finding a support there. It is tried to recover. So what to expect now with the US session? We have the services data, services PMA data coming in from US, and there is lot much of more data available. So what to expect? Can we expect gold to bounce back and trade bullish, or there is further more bearishness? What is going to be our strategy trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do like, share, and comment. That's always a great motivation. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, do it so that you can get twice a day updates for gold. This is the second update for the day. First update we have released with the Asia and Europe session. Those who watched must have already profited. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Watch till earlier in the day we have seen gold respecting this channel on the daily charts, and this is the third or multiple times you've seen this. This is the third time in the recent times where it has found its support from the channel and bounced back. Before coming to this, let's have a look at the daily charts. Yes, precisely hitting the bottom. It is trying to reverse. Also, you can see a reversal sign on the hourly charts. We have seen couple of green candles, but one must note that it is still trading in this bearish channel. Also on the hourly charts, the 20 period moving average is sitting at around 2033, 2032 zone. Good resistance exists there. And on the upside, the 50 and 100 are also on the verge of a crossover at 2038. One thing is very clear, a reversal confirmation is gold. In gold is only and only if it trades about 20, 40, 42 level zone. A stochastic rising from the oversold. See, MACD has seen sharp bearishness. It is willing to converge. It has not yet converged. It has not yet crossed over. RSI coming out of the oversold, coming to 2. Now, look at the 2-hour chart, see symmetrical formation. Remember, it is trying to form a tail here. A possible reversal can be expected, and it can try to move towards somewhere here. See, this is trying to retrace, and it is trying to create a bearish channel where it could try to retrace. It can try to move towards 2035 levels, 2036 levels. Greater resistance exists there. Moving averages crossing over here, sign of bearishness, stochastic rising. MACD is extremely bearish. It should try to converge, crossover. RSI flat, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Moving average is trying to converge here a bit, but is still showing much signs of bearishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD extremely divergent and bearish. RSI flat. And on the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour charts, remember this could be a reversal indication, and this could be as well an indication that because the price is opened lower and it has continued on the downside, if it continues to trade below 2024, we can consider that it may try to move closer towards 2021 levels. Higher lows can be expected. At the same time, a rise above 2030 should be an indication that prices might try to move towards 34, 35 levels at least, and beyond that 38, 40. Chances for a complete reversal, possibility is there, but right now it is not showing any intent to break past 20, 40, 42. Stochastic bottom and trying to come out of the oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details or visit my free Telegram channel or ping me on Telegram or email for more details. Also, you can join my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Do visit my platform Forex Funda where you get the economic calendar, the live data releases, the live charts with advanced tools, the community of traders, and also you can schedule a call with if you need any consultation or guidance. Now coming to the daily charts, see what has happened on the daily charts beautifully. It is respecting this channel. Remember, after the sharp drop, this is a bullish channel. This is a retracement channel here. Remember, it has failed to break past the highs here at 2060-65, which I have mentioned as a greater resistance zone. But at the same time, so far it has not yet breached the support levels. See, earlier, since last few days, we have seen gold trading with the support at 2030, 2028. Today, I have mentioned that it may try to hit the bottom of the channel here, and precisely did. Also, one must note 4 bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, and possibly tomorrow's candle is what we should wait for. And where today's candle closes, that is also equally important. Remember, a rise above 20, 40, 42 is where the bulls will take over today. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI looking down. Now look at MACD. See, I have shared earlier in the day as well. If you look at MACD, the rise, the retracement, and this should carry on the upside, but right now it is falling shy of a bullish indicator. Thus, see, earlier in the day 2030 was the selling entry. Now 2030 could be a buying entry here. Beyond 2030, you can look forward to 2034, 35 levels as the first target levels, 2038, 42 as the next target zone. Now 2038, 2042 is the zone, is what gold needs to break past by. Beyond that, it will turn bullish. It is right now not showing any intent to break past by at least 2038, 42 zone. But yes, if you see it breaking beyond this, just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2052, 2065 levels. On the downside, very important, on the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 2020 levels. 2020, 2018, any point of time, this zone should be a greater support. Three times I am highlighting this. Thus, you should be cautious with the sell entry here. Below 2018, certainly you can say the bears will take over. We will look forward to a sharper fall. Remember, it is breaking the channel here, and this could lead it towards 2010 and then in fact 1997 2000 levels. Yes, this breakout can be enormous. Just be watchful. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. Look, silver getting resistance here at 2270.75. We have seen it dropping sharply. It has got its support intact at 2240. We have seen it reversing. But one must note that it is still forming this bearish channel. It also look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. The 20 period moving average sitting at 2260 should be a greater resistance for it to break past by now. Stochastic rising, forming double bottom. It is trying to rise. It could show a recovery from the current levels. MACD is trying to converge crossover. This could lead to a little rise. RSI coming out of the oversold levels. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour chart, series of red candles. This candle trying to give a breakout. Yes, in fact, even if you see it trading above 22 60 levels, I think 2260 should be, because see double top is there. So ideally you should buy about 2260, where you can expect it to move towards 2270, 2280 zone. Greater resistance exists here. Only bullish confirmation, only reversal confirmation today is about 2280 levels. Moving averages crossing over here, signs of bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, it has formed a double bottom. It is trying to bounce back. It has to break this retracement levels. MACD is bearish. It should converge. It is not showing much signs here. RSI at bottom. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour chart. See bearish moves, swing candle. It has to break the highs of this preceding candle and then possibly 2260. If these two levels are taken, consider this as a reversal indication, and we can look forward to 2270-80 zone as a greater resistance. After that, we may see a reversal and a rise. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, now one must look at 4 hour chart. See a gradual decline so far. Preceding candle comes with a smaller body and a bigger tail. It could confirm a reversal. If it breaks past 2260, we can look forward to a stronger rise, which can take the prices towards 2270, 2280 zone, which should be a greater resistance. And then ultimate zone is beyond 23, 2320. Any rise above 23, 2320 levels should be a indication of a reversal. Right now, it is not showing much signs of it. Stochastic at bottom trying to recover. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to daily. Now, if you look at daily charts, see, last week we have seen 4 to 5 candles finding strong resistance at 2320, 2330. We have seen it reversing. Also increasing bearishness, first bearish candle, second bearish candle, and today we have seen a third bearish candle. Now, has it achieved the lows? See, preceding few candles we have seen lower lows here. Thus, it has it can try to move towards 2220, which should be a greater support for the day. Now, this is the zone where silver should find maximum support. See what it can try to do. It can try to at max form a double bottom and bounce back. That should be one of the possibilities, because see silver right now is trading in this zone, that is precisely 23.50, 60 to $22 levels. This $1.5 is going to remain a critical level for silver. Now today on the upside, any point of time silver breaking beyond 2270.80, consider this for a reversal. We will look forward to 23.20 zone again. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge. There should be a possible bullish crossover, not showing much signs of it. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, you can sell when you see the higher price below 2240. You can initiate a selling entry. Expect it to move towards 2220, the first support, and 22, the next support levels. It is only below. Now, remember, I have shared in my weekly review as well. 2180, 22 is the zone. You should watch out more cautiously. Below 2180 is where the bears will take over. On the upside, I will only recommend you to buy at 2260. When you see the lower prices above 2260, you can initiate a buying entry. Remember one point, 2270 and 80 is the zone. It has to break, else what will happen, it will collapse again. Thus, if you're taking a position at 2260, you have to put your stop losses at your entry price. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel and visit the platform forexfunda.com. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Just press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.